Alright, so I'm about to try this. We're gonna try to open it. Look what my kids got me for Father's Day. It's a multi-tool. Got a nice little blade. Check that out. So we're gonna put it. Let's see what's in here. Try to do some adjustments. Gotta work on my unboxing. There we go. All right. So the kids won this in the robotics competition, and I asked them, "Can I do an unboxing?" So we got it here. I'm gonna open it up here. Check this out. See what comes in it. Cool. Super small. This is my hand. I stand about 5'11". That's an inside joke. You see, it's about as big as my hand. Full grown man. All right. They got these like guards. I don't know if it's necessary to have the guards. I don't see the guards on the documentation. There's no guards here, so I'm like, I'll put the guards on there. Then comes with the directions, of course. Outside the directions, we have, looks like charging cords and extra blades. And extra blades. We got USB-C, USB-A to USB-C. If the white one's so slow, hopefully that's just the charge. I don't know how fast the data's gonna go. We got a tiny little screwdriver for helping with the blades and everything. Some tiny screws. Nice repairability. Then we got extra blades, lots of extra blades. So that's good. So now I'm getting nervous, like I want this for the younger generation. They got so much repair stuff in there. I mean, it's good to have repair stuff, but then they assume that you're gonna need all that repair stuff. I'm kind of nervous how sturdy, how substantial it's gonna be. This the controller. You see they got directions. Yeah, you can tell this is for beginners. We got a DJI drone that we use at work, and it doesn't have any of this stuff, so that's gonna be curious. Now the cool thing is they got camera control here. It's like a Nintendo. No, it's like an Xbox controller. Got the right joystick, left joystick. Let you know up, down, left turns. That's cool. The pen. Short press for 3D flips. Ooh, that is nice. All right. All right, got a return button. Photos, emergency stops. Let's look at the top. Not sure that that's a pan button to let it flip. See what kind of batteries they have in here. I don't know if that's a screw top. Like it just went down, but alright, I'll worry about that off camera. See how that goes. Let's take this off. Oh, this is to hold your phone. So you can put your phone in there so you can view the phone screen. And for those that's curious, I was about to put my phone in there, but I'm filming on my phone. Nice, lightweight. But some batteries go in there. Let's look at the directions here. If you look at the directions, yeah, it looks, there's a battery module. That's this thing here. Nice thick battery module, so that's good. Oh, it's two of them. So it's one already in there. That's one. Then it comes with a second one, so that's good. That's pretty good value. It can't detach. And then you see it's 3 AAA batteries to go in there, to go around the back. Got the phone holder. Look on the next page. They got directions there. How you install it, the drone batteries. And phone, how to charge it, use the USB-C. That's why I figured it was the charging. That's a slow charger, but I guess it'll work out. And then you scan the QR code so you can get the app. So we're gonna do that in a little bit. And there we are. All right, this is all that you get. And Plegble drone looks like it's pretty good. Now I just gotta test it out, see how it flies. All right, God bless. Okay, so if you see here, this camera is shaky because it doesn't have a stabilizer on it. So that's why you see the jerky movement. I'm doing a screen recording. That's why you got the little pop-ups. So forgive me for the pop-ups. My son is driving the drone because it doesn't have that automatic stabilizer in the drone either to keep it level. So it shakes with the wind. That's why you see the jerky movements. My son is very advanced at driving drones, so he's able to handle it. Because I was running into the wall. Actually, when I took it back from him, I ran into the wall. I didn't capture that footage. So this is us playing around with the camera. But I was still surprised at the quality for a drone that's less than $100. The camera quality is pretty good. You see it's picking up different colors. And you see it's moving around jerky, one because of the camera, and then two, the wind was moving the camera about. So that was creating an issue. And this is a still shot, so you can kind of get an idea of the still shot. If you choose to purchase it, give it a shot. If you're a beginner, you wanted to try something out before you spend a lot of money on it, this might be a good first project. All right, take care. God bless.